Build your own customized reports in minutes with zero dependence on the LeadSquared team. As an example, we'll show you how to build a report to analyze lead conversion by lead stages and lead sources. On the report's homepage, click Create Report. Now select a data source. The data source determines the columns you can use to create your report. We're choosing Leads. It contains both system and custom lead fields. The first step is to choose between a summary report and a list report. A summary report aggregates insights, totals, counts, averages, or comparisons across groups, while a list report shows detailed record-level data, like a table or spreadsheet of leads, activities, or tasks. For this example, we'll build a summary report. Now name your report and add a description. Here we're looking at the count of leads by lead owner. Let's remove the lead owner and add the lead stage under row grouping. Now let's add the lead source field under column grouping so we can see the count of leads by lead stage and by lead source. Next, under values, let's add the converted leads percentage. In addition to predefined values, you can create custom expressions to manipulate data, calculate sums, averages, and lots more. Let's move on to the Filters tab. And add a country filter to view our lead conversion metrics in India and the US. You can change the values later, but data will be filtered by default according to the values chosen here. The Visualize section lets you visually present your data. Let's go with a column chart. If drill down is enabled, users can click into a number or bar to see underlying records with customizable values and columns. And we're done. Save the report and assign tags for easier access. You can even add it to a profile to share it with the relevant users. On certain accounts, you'll see a Reporting to Hierarchy toggle. Disable this setting to see each user's data separately. Or enable the hierarchy view to roll it up under Managers. Each report can have its own view. And we're done. Your report is now available on the Reports listing page. Finally, if you'd like the report delivered automatically, click the three-dot menu and select Schedule Report. Choose the configuration, such as the frequency and recipients, and click Schedule. And that's it. Your report is created, shared, and scheduled.